Children often ask why the water is blue. Water looks blue because of its absorption in our visible spectrum. The water absorbs long wavelength light, like red, orange, and yellow, more strongly than it absorbs the short wavelength light, like blue. Therefore, when the light from the sun enters the ocean, it is mostly blue that gets returned. For this same reason, the sky is blue. Water is vital for all forms of life. Although it provides no calories or nutrients, water plays the most important role in our world. It is the centerpiece of all life. But with life comes death. Roland Barthes in Lucida states that death must be somewhere in a society, perhaps in this image which produces death while trying to preserve life. Contemporary with withdrawal of rights, photography may correspond to the intrusion in our modern society of an asymbolic death, outside of ritual, a kind of abrupt dive into literal death. Almost every summer here on the Gulf Coast of Florida, we experience a phenomenon known as red tide. Red tide is a term used for harmful algal blooms. These blooms occur when colonies of algae grow out of control. This is often caused by pesticides and other man-made chemicals polluting our waters, producing toxic and fatal effects on fish and making shellfish dangerous to eat. Sometimes, as Barth states, the photograph is violent, not because it shows violent things, but because on occasion it fills the sight by force, and because in it nothing can be refused or transformed like the water. Slowly the death washes away and the water returns to normal, constantly evolving, constantly providing life, and on occasion, death.